what's up? And today we're back to my channel with a special friend. Yes, we have a special friend joining us today. Animal, say hi. Introduce yourself, please. XT. All right, let's go. Let me just type that. All right, let's go. Let's go. All right, come on. So, do you want to get the antidote and I get the homework? It's not like I can find a rocket or anything. I have no idea what the rockets are. Well, I feel like the rockets are near Blox'n'go. But how am I gonna have enough time to get both rockets? I don't even know where they. Oh, medkit just flew by. Let's do this. I can't type. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why? I wish I could skip this. Yep, me too. This is annoying. Because when I'm in a public server, people are always hogging the items for their own benefit. Only for their own benefits. That's why I hired a VIP server. Hey, Animal. I just grabbed a med kit that was floating to the side of the road. Okay, I'm good. I just want to grab the homework. Where is it? Okay, check these lockers first. The homework's over there. Hey, Mr. Principal. All right, got a chair now. Hey, no. Hey, let me out. Oh my god. Let me give it to the bully, and then I'm gonna go search for rockets. All right, the weeb. Thanks a lot for the homework. Where's the blue key? I don't know. It's probably in one of the lockers. Actually, no. I don't think they're in the lockers. Sorry about that. I'm gonna go search for a rocket. I think it's right here, something. Okay, I have a feeling it's somewhere. Okay, is that a no? Where is the rocket? I can't move. Should we skip class? No, go to class. I want the janitor ending. Okay, I can't get out. I have to get back another way. Oh, come on. Hurry up already. You know what? I don't care. Wait, what is that in the distance? Is that what I think it is? Is that a rocket? Oh yeah. Okay, I ended up finding one, but can't build the rocket chair though. Wait, what? What do you mean? Nice. Thanks. But I can't find the other one. Alright, just gonna sit down. I don't want to take damage like I did last time. Skip it. I know that. Yes. I'm not doing I want to skip, but sometimes it's not gonna happen. I'm just gonna chill and play with the rocket. He wants to open the vents. Why does he want to open the vents so bad? No, not us. Why does he want to tell the teacher? A second ago, there was one vote. Once I snitched on myself. Okay, I think he's gonna understand what I'm trying to say, though. Fortunately, Animal, yes. Animal is also a YouTuber, but I don't think he's gonna do a point of view. Sub to Optical Blocks, by the way. It's a nice channel. Sub to me too. Ah! Blue key. I didn't expect to find the blue key in the lot. Ooh, donut. What kind of donut? If it's a bagel, I'll eat it. Okay, if it's a bagel, I will most definitely eat it. What's going on? Where is the lunch food? Hurry up and deliver that. That's weird. Yep. Weird. There's no food except for this burger. We can only have it if he delivers the letter. How come he hasn't, you know? Yeah, go to science class. It's not unequip. Unequip the thing. So I have to do some stuff. Can't grab though. He delivered it, but I can't. Okay. Yeah. My chair might help me make it on time. Go, 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 go. Come on, hurry up, hurry up. Come on, hurry up. Yes. Oh, key. I can't grab the key. All right, no, I can't grab it. I can't. Oh, man, that was so close. Oh, come on, dang it. Well, you win some, you lose some. You win some and you lose some. Optical_blocks, all capitals. That's Animal's channel. Oh no, I'm trying to say my pocket Pikachu. My detention. Yeah, why is science class detention? That is a game over. Don't think they were paying attention to me. They were okay. No, you. Yeah, we need to defend the school. I mean, our job is also protecting people. That's what my group, the SWAT team's prevention is all about. I'm armed. I wish we can get the Glock before the janitor. That way we have something range. I only bought the Glock when I was with Happy Dodge ones. I'll defend. Okay, I'll get the boards. Okay. I'm doing entrance. I'm gonna do the entrance and inside the classroom. If I can't make it, I'll just place 2 boards on each. It's better to be safe than sorry, right? Sorry, I wasn't talking for a while because I was busy doing something. Just kidding. I was actually writing something. And you're gonna be confused if I said I wrote on the zombie's back. Wrote, not wrote. If I wrote on the zombie's back, I'd be a zombie. Janitor boss? Oh god. He's big! When you get that big, who knows when you get that big. Well, that's easy. Get to the bathroom. Alright, wait, wrong way. Animal! Dude, wrong way. Okay. Come on, hurry! The bathroom's this way. Oh, there's a chair right here. Come on! Hurry! Alright, we're safe in the bathroom. What if the bathroom wasn't all the way? I think we need to, like, so I think we were really, really close. We were, like, so close. We were so close to fail. Oh, I'm gonna try to make an antidote ending. Janitor. Oh no. Animal, what? You tend to mop the floor with your brain? Yeah. You was gonna say that. I'll wipe the floor with your head. How about that? Oh. What are these? I think it's probably like the break-in Easter egg obby. Dude, Adam, go on that pillar. Oh god, tsunami. Bro, you almost made it wipe the floor with your brains. Yeah, well, he's a zombie. He doesn't have any brains. Oh no, bullets. Hey, Janitor, stop. This is illegal. You cannot throw bullets without a gun's license. Oh god. Hey, no throwing bullets without a license. And I would say the same thing to Principal Boss. Except that we didn't do any damage to you. What the heck? We didn't do a single... Oh my god. This guy's immortal. We didn't do a single inch to this guy, man. Alright. This guy's not gonna be easy to kill, considering he took that much damage. He took like one swing of a fish. Oh god, stop throwing bullets at us. This is illegal. No guns in school. Well, yeah, no guns in school. without a gun's license, janitor. Okay, yeah, attack him. Oh, why is he throwing a bullet where he is? Why, you want to kill yourself? Or you're using it to defend. Oh, God, another one. It's gonna be much faster. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Oh. Where's the tsunamis coming from? The bathroom flooding? Bro, I don't think West have had a bathroom flood. I don't think Suzanne did either. Or South Point either. Evergreen? No, I don't think he is. Attack him while he's done. Yeah, I'm not gonna go on the side where his bullet. Oh, I got hit. The bullet almost missed me, but it still hit. Time for another tsunami. Imagine just someone named Sue and then Nami last name. Stop throwing bullets at us without a gun's license. This is definitely illegal. Especially trying to kill 2 students instead of bully. Under my name, bully. Is he survivor? Oh no, he's student. How come he didn't put the time? Okay, I guess he was. My other friend also does too. Yes! Clean Freak Award. Yes. Is he dead? Yes, he's dead. GG. Alright. I don't want to even bother writing GG. Citizens, we have to get out of here. Alright, Donut Dave. Wait, this is not the end. I know. Wait, what? Wait, this is actually not the end? Seriously? Oh man, he wanted to break. Well, I'll keep going. You need to tell me twice. Oh yes. Alright. Which ending? Alright, what tools do I have on me right now? It says I'm a donut, 2 bandages, a use of a med. Okay, let's try something. I also have a slingshot, a rocket. Oh yeah, I didn't get to see what else. I think that was all. I think I had a slingshot, rocket, antidote, med kit, 1 use, 2 bandages, a donut, and a crowbar. I do not want to add a Glock to my collection. Blindly shoot at it with my gun. Do you have supplies? Because if we want to do the Nathan Animal ending, we're going to need supplies. I have very little supplies, so if he doesn't, then we're screwed. No, we're screwed. We are screwed. Wait, I thought I jumped on top of the light. I have very little supplies. I am, well, officially almost out of supplies. So, yeah. Of the antidote, so we could do the Nathan antidote ending. Let's skip, yeah. Hold on. Okay, skip first and then type. Oh my god, I can't type! Okay, do it. Not warehouse. Yep. Alright. So, is it gonna be like, hey Nathan, you are alive? And then I don't know what happens next after that ending because I never got it. But I never got it on purpose. This time, I'm gonna try getting it. Because I was going undercover to see if he would betray me. Yeah. And now's the time I should get it. Because I'm gonna complete my ending sheet. It says I only have 3 out of 8. I have the antidote ending. Wait, how many endings? I forgot how many endings I got. Alright. It says I only got 4 out of 8. Oh god, I see, did you guys see that? Animal's health went from yellow to orange. Like, seriously. I almost died. Oh, I see that. Alright. gonna take half an hour for it to upload and another half an hour to do this voice thing. Yeah? Oh, okay. And grab the buns. I'm gonna grab the hot dog buns while you grab some, what do you want to grab again? We should coordinate what we wanted to grab. I was gonna say I'll grab the bean buns. I can get the hot sauce though. Ooh, another hot sauce. And that Gatorade. Compensation for that Gatorade. I'm just kidding. Someone stole Gatorade at the gas station, which is known as gas station encounters. I mean, there's videos of people someone literally just breaking and entering. That's illegal. He should be under arrest for 14 years for that. Actually, no, I'm not gonna risk it yet. Animal, hurry up! Let's head to the sewer for shelter. Yeah. Okay, come on, Animal. Yee! Hurry.